A new Sumocham drilling head with optimized IHP geometry. There are times when cutting-edge strength is vitally important. Unstable machining environments can lead to vibrations and chattering. Subject to workpiece materials, cutting-edge chipping may be induced faster. ISCAR's new Sumocham drilling heads with the optimized IHP geometry are designed to sustain this problem. A dedicated edge preparation method was developed to create a strong cutting edge and wiper geometry while maintaining a positive rake angle for smooth cutting. Dedicated honing size strengthens the cutting edge and extends tool life when working with non-alloy and high-carbon steels. IHP drilling heads are made of the new IC948 special titanium aluminum chromium nitride PVD coated grade, which significantly improves the efficiency and reliability of the drilling heads. The new grade has greater abrasion resistance, eliminating build-up edges on the drilling head. All IHP heads can be mounted on standard Sumocham holders with appropriate pocket sizes in the range of 10 to 22 millimeters. I would like to remind you to download the ISCAR World app, which features the revolutionary Neo ITA for achieving optimal machining results.